Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to insert new users into a SQLite database. Whether you're building a web application or a mobile app, understanding how to add data to your database is essential. So let's get started. The ability to insert new data into a database is a fundamental skill for any developer. In this video, we will focus on inserting new users into a SQLite database using Python. We'll cover the necessary steps and provide you with practical examples. Before we can insert new users, we need to establish a connection to the SQLite database. In Python, we can achieve this using the SQLite 3 module. Here's an example code snippet. Now that we have established the connection, let's move on to inserting new users into the database. We'll use the insert into statement to accomplish this. Here's an example code snippet. In the code snippet, we first create a cursor object using the cursor method. The cursor allows us to execute SQL statements. Then, we use the execute method to insert a new user into the users table. We provide the user's name and email as parameters. Finally, we commit the changes to the database using the commit method. Congratulations! You've learned how to insert new users into a SQLite database. This skill is essential for any application that requires user registration or data entry. Remember, you can customize the code to suit your specific needs, such as capturing user input dynamically. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy coding.